Hey there, are you tired of having marinades or dressing that are just plain and boring? You don't like to really buy anything from the store that's prepackaged, and you really want to know how to make your own dressings for your salads, pasta salads, green salads, or even a marinade for chicken, shrimp, fish, pork, whatever. Well, today on Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, ultra flavorful, awesome dressing or marinade for your upcoming dishes this summer. So let's do this. If you have returned to this channel and you like what I have to offer here, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you comment, like, and share. That is how we can get some great YouTube cred here out on YouTube and with our videos and things that I'm going to be offering you through my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. I am Sonya Paz and I am your sweet and spicy master for today. I'm going to share a recipe with you that is so easy. It's almost like a pantry raid. If you've got these items in your pantry or your refrigerator, then you are good to go. This is something that we use oftentimes not only for salad dressings, but I'll add it to different kinds of salads, green salads, pasta salads, or you can easily make this recipe for chicken, for shrimp, for fish, if you've got pork chops, whatever you might be marinating that's going on the grill or even on the stove or oven. This is an awesome recipe because it's so flavorful, because we're gonna add some ingredients that are gonna get you going. This recipe is only 7 ingredients and it's super duper easy, and I'm gonna show you how we do this. You're gonna have Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. You're gonna have ground Dijon mustard. You're going to have olive oil. We're gonna throw a little bit of ground minced ginger. Yes, ginger and jalapeños. Trust me, this is going to be the flavor that is truly spectacular. We've got some balsamic vinegar because we want a little bit of acid, or you can actually use lemon juice if you like, depending on what your flavors are. And we've got a little bit of Himalayan sea salt and a little bit of Trader Joe's 21 season salute, or you can actually use Mrs. Dash. Just a sort of a non-sodium flavorful spice mix. This one is Trader Joe's 21 season salute. It's really awesome. If you have Trader Joe's near you, go ahead and get 1 or 2 of these little bottles because you're gonna add it to probably everything because it's got spices, 21 to be exact. So with this mix here, we're gonna add these ingredients and show you how we kind of get this thing rocking and rolling. All right, so I have my ingredients here, and like I mentioned, we've got Sonya's Sweet and Spicy, we've got Dijon mustard, olive oil, ground ginger or minced ginger, some balsamic vinegar, some seasoned salt or Himalayan sea salt, and we've got the 21 season salute. I am going to start off with all the wet ingredients first, and not in a particular order, but I'll probably just make the circle of here. And I'm going to go ahead and add Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. Just throw that in. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and I've chopped that up really fine just because I want this to, you know, pretty much blend in with all of the flavors that we have happening here. And it'll be palatable, so each portion of the dressing or marinade, you'll have some of the peppers in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my Dijon mustard. Just grab that like this. I'm gonna go ahead and add the ginger now. I'm gonna add the ginger, and I'm gonna put all of the recipes and the size portions that I'm using inside of the description here. I'm gonna add a little olive oil. Now, I like olive oil. You can use olive oil in marinades, we do. And of course, if you're gonna use this for a dressing, a salad dressing or something, then it'll easily, you know, mix into that. Then we've got a little balsamic vinegar. And anytime you use a marinade, especially a marinade, is you can end up, if you use something like lemon juice or balsamic vinegar, it needs an acid to sort of get inside and start infusing into your meats and things like that. So I'm gonna add some of the little bit of the seasoned salt and of course my 21 season salute. And I'm gonna set this aside for now. I'm gonna get just a whisk, and I'm just gonna slowly start whisking this together. Now, the longer you whisk it, the thicker it's gonna become because the olive oil is a thickening agent, and this is it. What I usually do, especially because I've added the 21 season salute, I'm gonna need to just let this sit for probably, about maybe an hour or so, just to get those herbs, the dry herbs of the 21 season salute nice and absorbed. So as you can see, this turned into a very nice, almost a very thick kind of a marinade / dressing. This is a very versatile recipe that you can use. I'm gonna whisk that in a little heavier here, get it around, and look at this. You've got awesome, beautiful color and something that's ready to go. So let's try this out and see how it is. And many thanks to my friend Christine, who gave me these adorable little bowls for serving and for doing the video. She said, I think you need something fun for your videos. So thank you, Christine. Love them, using them, it's all good. Now, as you can see, was that too easy? That was so simple. And these are things that I've already had in the kitchen. I usually keep a thing of ground ginger, Dijon mustard, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and of course I have an array of spices in my spice drawer. So, and of course, you gotta have Sonya Sweet and Spicy, sweet pickled candied jalapeno peppers on hand for recipes like this. Super easy, and we're gonna try this out. So I got my spoon, and give this a nice little whisk here, get a little bit of the jalapenos right in there, and oh my God, it is so good. This is so awesome because you already have so many flavors and spices with the Sonya Sweet and Spicy that add to the meld of everything else. This is something that you can completely and easily add, brush over on chicken, brush over on any type of shrimp dishes, any seafood. It's great, and just do that and prepare ahead of time. Now, if you want a green salad that will really make you the star of your next potluck or your family gathering, then of course, take this and put it in the refrigerator. You can put this in the bowl, throw a, put this in a bowl with a lid, or grab yourself a little mason jar. I always have a saying, and that is, anything dipped in chocolate is awesome. Anything that has twinkle lights on it is enchanting. And anything that you can put into a little mason jar is always spectacular. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just toss this right on in. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this right inside. Now this is a very small batch. Of course, you can completely double this recipe, but I like to show you just sort of an average serving, probably for 4. And this is an 8-ounce jar, but this has got about 4 ounces in it. Go ahead and double it if you need to. You're not gonna hurt anything by doubling it. And of course, you can put this in the refrigerator for, I don't know, a week. May not last that long. If you wanna completely eliminate the balsamic and add in lemon juice, if you like something a little bit more tart, it will work well with the Sonya Sweet and Spicy. It will not alter it. It will not make it taste bad. If you want to add a little more olive oil or, kind of slightly take it and make it your own, that's a good thing. But always remember that the main ingredient here that gives it the kick that works really well with the olive oil, the spices, and everything else is the Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Sweet Candy Pickled Jalapenos. Summer cooking is amazing, and it's fun, and it's so versatile, and you can take things and make it your own. And of course, if you're gonna end up going to a potluck, or you're taking a green salad, make a little extra for your hostess and give them this jar. I always carry little twine on hand, so when I do, you have the perfect gift for whenever you're going out. You take this, put it on the salad, and leave the rest for the hostess. Of course, our videos and our channel would not be a success unless you commented, like, and subscribe onto our channel. We're on Facebook at Facebook/Sonya Sweet Spicy. We're on Instagram at Instagrams.com/Sonya Sweet Spicy. And of course, we are on this channel, and go ahead and support us by subscribing. Your comments, I will respond to every comment, and look forward to hearing from you, and hope you are having a great summer month. I'm gonna start getting my marinade on my chicken, start getting my green salad ready for later. So there you go. That is it, and I am happy to bring this video to you, and we hope to see you soon. Take care, y'all. Bye.